Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to fix issue where your iPhone can't be backed up or any other iOS device. Let's jump right into it. If you are encountering this problem, here's how you can fix it. Open the Settings app and find Safari app and tap on it. Scroll down and choose Clear History and Website Data. Clear the data, then return to the main menu. Next, tap on General and select iPhone Storage. Here you'll see a list of apps as well as recently deleted albums. Make sure to empty the recently deleted items. Also, go through your apps and delete the data from any apps you no longer use. This will help free up space on your device. Now, head back to the main settings menu and tap on your Apple ID profile. Scroll down and select iCloud. Ensure that iCloud backup is turned on. In this case, we've already done the process, so you can now toggle iCloud backup off temporarily and wait for a few seconds. Close the settings app, then open it again. Go back to the backup settings and when prompted, select Not Now. This should solve the problem and the notification about backup issue should be resolved. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.